Alright, we have a question here, and we're to write a program that prints the alphabet in lowercase and then in uppercase, followed by a new line. It says you can only use the putchar function, and all your code should be in the main function. You can only use putchar 3 times in your code. So I'll be solving this question using both the for loop and the while loop. So let's head to code block. So we're going to start with the while loop. So I'm going to declare 2 variables. I'll be using I, and this I is going to be equal to the lowercase a, and I'll declare another variable, and I'll be using j, and j will be equal to the uppercase. So that is the first part, to declare the variables. So after that, I'm going to write my first one, which is while my variable I is less than or equal to z, that means it's printing from small letter a to z, I'm going to put my putchar, and in bracket I'm going to put the variable I, and I'm going to close, come down, I'll put my increment I plus plus, and I'll close. So I'm done with the first one. So the second one will be while same condition, same everything. The only difference being that I'll be using j. So let me just copy this, bring it over here, change the I to j and the small letter to the capital. I'll change this part to j. Now remember, the question said we can use a putchar only 3 times. So okay, here I have to close my curly braces, and they said followed by a new line, so I'm going to putchar here and backward slash n, and then I'm going to close. I think we are done with this. Okay, let's build and run and see what we've got. I'm not sure why it is taking so long. Okay, so you can see we have the answer here. You can see the small letters followed by the capital letters. All right, so next I'm going to use the for loop. So for the for loop, we already declared our variable I and j. So I'll come here for I equal to, I'll put my block letter A, I'll close, then put my condition, which is I is less than or equal to z. I'll close again, and then I'll put my increment, which will be I plus plus. I think that is the end of that. So I'm going to copy this for the second one. So from here, I'll change everything to j. Change everything to j. So the first one is for the lowercase, and the second one is for the uppercase. I think we're good. So when I build and run, you see we're going to be having the same answer. So you can see the lowercase followed by the uppercase. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.